guys, today we are going to make peanut butter something.
Peanut butter bars.
Peanut butter balls. And let's get to washing our hands so we can go. Ah! There we go. Just a little here. Wash them good. Wash them for 20 hours.
20 hours.
And let me give you a bite. It involves the stove. Do not burn yourself. We're finished. Now the cameraman is my grandfather because honestly he is not.
Did you lose your train of thought?
He is not a good helper. So we are going to take.
Wait, what is all that?
The sugar powder. This is sugar powder, 2 cup, peanut butter, 2 cup, and graham crackers, 2 cup. Everything's 2 cup. And this is the precious. And we have some chocolate chips back here. You know this. So let's pour this into this.
Into the bowl.
Let's pour this in. Down the hole. Oh, we need a more.
Well, pour the rest in. Well, is that all that goes in there?
Yeah. Pour some of this. It's good. Ooh. Let's take this in the spatula.
Well, we can't see you.
I'm sorry. Let me do the other way. I'm bad with my life. I
No.
told you. Ah!
Do you need some help?
No. I got this. Come on, spatula. Come on. Come on. Get that again.
You have to speak up for the camera. Do you need help?
No. Okay, let's get this done. Oh. How do you even put this in?
There you go. Pull. Oh, you got it on the side. Oh.
Oh well. You want to lick the battle?
No, we're not going to lick it. I'll help you get the rest of that in there.
Okay. And we are back. Got everything in.
Huh?
Shaky. Let's put this in. Do this. Oh, it's already going in.
Well, hold on. You have to lock it.
I did lock it.
Oh, you got to make sure your thing's on there right. Okay.
Okay.
And we just do it on low, or? Okay, that's
We
it.
need more peanut butter.
No, it'll mix itself up.
The peanut butter is getting stuck on.
It'll clear itself up.
It smells bad. Looks like poop.
All right.
Lucky you're the one eating it.
Oh, you're gonna eat your food. Every cook eats their own food. All right, let's get that, Hayden. Let's get that mixed up. Hey, Hayden. We're gonna get that mixed up and be right back.
Okay, we're going to mix it up and be right back. Hi everyone, we're back. We have this in. I have some gloves to put on because we're not using the spatula. So let's get started. The roll. subscribe or you'll be banned from this team.
No, don't say that. So what are you doing?
I'm eating it out. Feels weird. Like I did this without gloves, but never with. Oh, and if you're Landon's friend and you know that weird house, that's mine. And do not tell Dodie about it. I don't even think we have enough boy.
Hey, dude, you just gotta spread it out.
Spread, smush it and it will spread, 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 spread.
You got the back of your head.
And I hope they're not talking dirty about it. I was itching my ear.
Oh. Who are you making this for?
You?
You know, for me?
Yeah.
Oh, you know I need more?
Not for me. For me. Just for me.
You gonna give it to your sisters?
No.
No.
They ate probably. This is my dessert. And my dessert only. Yeah, we definitely didn't put enough butter and stuff in. Okay, this is how I'm going to do it.
No. You can put the gloves back on. Fine. Poked a hole in it, huh?
You kidding me? You got me.
2 fingers and 1 finger.
You kidding me? You got me a bad glove. Are you kidding me? No one can do anything wrong, you know. The master chef.
You're the master chef.
Well, yeah, you're bad at cooking. Just saying.
Well, you just like playing with everything.
It's fun.
Well, you're supposed to be spreading it around. You're supposed to be showing them how to make no-bake chocolate bars.
I am. It's done.
It's done?
Just mushing it onto the edges.
Okay, what comes next then if that's done?
Hallelujah.
What's in there?
We have 1.5 cups chocolate chips and 1 cup, half a cup of peanut butter.
Alright. What are we going to do with it?
Melt it, baby.
Alright, no.
With a flamethrower.
With a flamethrower?
Yes.
Okay. So what are you going to... You going to melt it where? On the oven?
Yes.
Microwave?
No.
Yeah, we're doing the microwave.
Fine. Microwave. We are going to put it for 1 minute.
Alright.
So here it is. The county chocolate and peanut butter. We're going to pour it in. Let's get started.
Do that all by yourself?
Yes.
Yes.
Thanks to me.
Keep going.
Set that there. Got this. Pour. So ugly. So ugly.
You have to use that spatula to scrape that out. Tastes good? You got it all over your hand, didn't you? And what are you doing?
Spreading it out.
We don't go up under the glass though.
I'm sorry.
You're
You
sorry?
want to do this?
Well, last time I tried, you took the spatula away from me.
Well, yeah. Because you're bad at cooking. You suck at it. You suck worse than a kid that don't even know how to cook.
No, 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 no.
Okay, done.
All right. And now what do you do?
Put it in the fridge for 1 hour.
All right.
And I like this.
Yes, you can like it.
And here's the results. Make sure to like and subscribe.
You did that with a mouthful.